from BSDA, and what I want to show you today is just a really quick tutorial on how to make sure your address is correct at the bottom of the emails you send from MailChimp. So MailChimp have really strict spam rules or anti-spamming rules, which is why they're one of the best or the best in the world at what they do. And one of their rules means that you need to make sure that you have a valid address, because that will feature at the bottom of every email that you send from MailChimp. And that's just to make sure that people receiving the email understand who it's from, and that you're not just spamming them, and it's not like cold outreach emails just without knowing anybody. So the way MailChimp does this is they make sure that you have to have an email address. So what I'm going to do today is just show you really quickly from your home screen inside MailChimp how to access that and be able to make that change. So here we go. So up in the top right hand corner here, you can see the name of our account. We're going to go ahead and click the little arrow there, and then we're going to click on account. Straight after that, the page is going to refresh, and then what we're looking for here is to click on settings and then contact information. So you're going to have all kinds of information in here, including phone number and your account details. So if we go ahead and scroll down a little bit, you'll see here primary account contact, and there's an address there. Obviously that's the address of our office. For you, if you wanted to change that to a PO box or your physical business address where your office is or where your factory is, all you have to do is click on edit here, update those details, save them, and then what you'll be able to do is every email moving forward, you'll then be able to feature your correct address at the bottom of that. That's all for today. Nice and easy, but it will make sure that your customers know who they're getting emails from, and it obviously tick the box for MailChimp that you're using the correct address for your business.